Hello children, today we are going to see working with tables. Working with tables, lesson 4. Working with tables. So children, this table we are working with Microsoft Word. This table we are working with Microsoft Word. So to open the Microsoft Word, so the procedure is first you have to go to the start button. In the start button you can see the all programs. In the all program inside you can find the Microsoft Office. Inside the Microsoft Office you can find the Microsoft Word. So this is the given procedure in our book. First you'll go to the start, click start button, then click all program, then click Microsoft Office, then click the Microsoft Word. So that is the working procedure in 2007 OS. So I will show you how to work in the table in 2010 OS now. So with me now with 2010 OS there, I will show you how to work in the table. So first, same way, go to the start button. In the start button, the programs everything arranged in 2010 OS. So when you come down in the order wise, okay, you will get the Word. See Word. Word is given here. Word. Click the Microsoft Word. You are getting the Word now. This is the blank document. Click the blank document. We are going to make it now. In the blank document, so first, so this is the Word. Now we have opened the Word. And now inside the Word, so now we are going to insert the table. To insert the table, we can go to the, say in the menu bar, we have insert tab. Click the insert tab. When you click the insert tab, we are getting the table groups. See the ribbons? Okay, you are getting the ribbon. In this table groups, just click the table groups. You are getting some options to draw the table. So first one is the grid. Okay, grid view. So this is how many tables you are selecting, that many it will come. If you select 5 column and 1 row, this is 5 column and 2 row. This is 5 column and 3 row. So if you click it, it will be inserted in the working area. It is inserted now in the working area. Yes. So I will show you how to insert again. First, insert. In the insert tab, you are getting the ribbon. See that in this you can see the table groups. In the table groups, if you click, you are getting the insert table. So how many row you want and how many column you want selected. After selecting, we can, if you click it, it is inserted. Okay, this is the first method to insert the table by grid view. This is the grid view table. So according to that, you are inserting. Okay, using table grid. And next one more method that to insert the table. So that I will tell you now. That is, go to insert. In the insert tab, you can find the tables. Okay, below the grid, below the grid view, if you come down, you can see the insert table. Yes, insert table. Okay, click the insert table now. Click the insert table now. Here it's given the dialog box. So number of columns, how many columns we want. Suppose we want 4 columns. Okay, you can click the 4. You can, using this spin arrow, you can click or else directly you can, from the keyboard you can type 4. Okay, and number of rows, how many rows we want? Number of rows, okay, 3. So after this, after giving number of columns, how many we want, we can type there, and number of rows we can type there. Then afterwards just click OK. When you click OK, you are getting the table now. This is the table now. So in this table we are going to work now. So in this table we are going to enter the data. Just you can see the point, move the mouse where you want to insert. Okay, there you can type the data. Okay, you can type it. Whatever you want to type, whichever table you want to create, you can type the data, everything there. So here you can see we have 3 rows there, and we have how many columns? We have 4 columns we have. So columns are vertical. Columns are vertical and the rows are like the horizontal. So horizontal and vertical. This horizontal and vertical together makes the cell. So this is one cell. This is another cell. This is another cell. So the cross section, this is the cell. Each one is a cell. Each box is a cell here. So we are going to, whatever we want to create inside, and we can type anything. We can type also. You can do anything. Then afterwards we can edit. Okay, these are the things. And here entering data. See, we are written 2 here. Afterwards, suppose I want to write here anything, you can write anything there. So afterwards, to go to the next right side cell, okay, next cell, to go to the next cell, you can press the tab key. You can press the tab key or the right arrow key. Okay, we have in the keyboard, we have the right arrow key, arrow mark, okay, right side arrow mark. You can click it. If you click the right side arrow key or the tab key, okay, you can click the tab key or the right arrow key. It is going to next cell. Going to next cell, here you can type what you want. Next, to go to the next cell, just click the next right arrow. When you click the right arrow, you are getting one thing. So to come downside, there, you can get the arrow mark down. Upside and downside arrow sign is given. Upside, downside. If you click the upside, and upside means going up. Okay, upside. See, now the cursor is in the 4. Okay, there is. If you click the below downside, see that it's coming down. Here you can type what you want. So likewise, you can enter the data. You can enter the data. To go to the next cell, you have to type the right side arrow. To come back side, click the left arrow. Okay, click the left arrow. To go upside, go to the up. Okay, up this one, and down arrow. These things you can use for entering data. And next, we are going to see, okay, selecting different parts of a table. How to select different parts of a table. So we have in the table different parts that we saw, that we have 3 rows there. We have three rows and we have 4 columns we have. And we have different cells also there, inside many cells there. So we are going to select what we want. Suppose I am going to select a cell. See that I am going to select a cell 2. To select a cell 2, when you go in the cell, see the arrow mark, okay, the left side of the cell, there, if you click, it is selected. The 2 is selected now. Suppose I want to select the 4. So in the 4 number, when you go over, just here the left side of the 4 cell, no, there you can click it. Now the cell is selected. And next, to select a row. To select a row, see that we are going to select now one row. This is the row we have. We are going to select this row. Go left side and click. Now the row is selected. To select the first row, go left side and do one click. The first row is selected. Or else you can select the entire row by clicking. Yes, you can select the entire row by dragging also. By dragging, just click it and drag it to the entire row. You can select the row now. Same way to select the column. So now this is the column, vertical. So to select the column, when you go, see this arrow sign, selected. Second, selected. For third, just go above the column, and this arrow sign shows that the entire column. Just click it. You can select the entire table. Got it? Or else by second method, you can drag and select. You can drag and select. Okay? You can drag and select. By this you can select the table, column, and the entire table also you can select. See this is a table move handle. If you select this, the entire table is selected. This is the sign, the entire table is selected, table move handle. So to select the entire table, this is full table is selected. So I hope you understood selecting different parts of a table and inserting the table and how to write inside the table. Okay, next one more thing. So here, okay, to select the text inside a single cell by using a mouse. So one more, how to select the different text inside the cell. Suppose inside the cell we are writing anything there. Okay, we are going to write any words. We are going to write. Suppose I am going to write some sentence. Look at this. Okay, yeah. So now I have written two sentences here. You can see this. A table is an organized arrangement of text in the form of rows and columns. The intersection of a column and a row is called a cell. So we are going to select different parts of this cell in this. How to select a simple, okay, one word or one line, sentence, and full paragraph. Okay, how to select different parts of this. So we have for this to select a word. See this, I am going to select the table. To select the table, just go over the table and click 2 clicks. 2 clicks, if you click, the table is selected. Just 2 click, left click, okay, 2 clicks, it will select. So column, to select the column, 2 clicks. See, column is selected. To select row, go over the row, okay, when you hover, see the row, just 2 clicks. When you click 2 clicks, the word is selected. And to select a sentence, first press the control key. Press the control key, you have to select this sentence only. Yes, so end of the sentence, just click. When you click the end of the sentence, the full sentence is now selected. See this sentence, and next sentence is not selected here. Suppose you want to select the second sentence. Okay, see the second sentence, just hold down the control key, press the control key and select the end of the sentence. It is selected. So like this you can select the sentence. Control key pressing and clicking. Yes, so you can, like this you can select the sentence. And to select some text, only little text. Suppose in the table, to organized, you want to select only O and R only, just click and drag. Only drag you can select. Okay, with the just left click and dragging. Okay, when you drag, you can select. Got it? You can drag it. And to select the full paragraph, you can click 3 times. Okay, 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. When you click 3 clicks, the full paragraph is selected. You can see this. Yes, full paragraph is selected. So for this, 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. 3 clicks, if you click, the full paragraph is selected. So children, I hope you understood the today class. So first thing, to enter the data, you can use 2 ways. One is by grid and another one is by insert the table. Then afterwards you can enter the data. After entering the data, so how to select the different parts of the table, how to select the row and how to select column visa, and it is very easy. Yes, you can select the row and column. This is column selected, this column is selected, just clicking only. This to select this row is selected. Yes, you can select the row and column and the cell, everything. You can select the cell. And next we saw about how to select the different parts of the text. Okay, how to select the sentence, how to select a word, how to select a paragraph. This we saw. So children, I hope today's class is very useful for you. Kindly practice this in your laptop or your computer. Then only you will remember this. So children, see you in the next class. Thank you.